Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 291, Cookies in Power Pages. Unfortunately, when we talk about cookies in Power Pages, there are no delicious baked treats involved. Instead, just boring little files sent between the user's browser and the server. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. For the most part, cookies aren't something that you have to worry about much when building a Power Pages site. The site code uses cookies for a variety of purposes, all of which are documented on Microsoft Learn. We often see the topic of cookies raised when a security audit is performed on the website. Typically, an explanation is required for why cookies are being used. Again, the documentation provides these details. For the most part, you don't have any control over the cookies used by the Power Pages site code. The one exception to this is there are some site settings that allow you to control some aspects of the authentication cookie. If you want to create your own cookies, you can do that in JavaScript. You can also access the value of a cookie via the params attribute of the request liquid object. But there is no way to set a cookie using Liquid. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 291 on cookies in Power Pages useful.